Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the KTT Extra Large Tent, a spacious and versatile camping solution that's perfect for families and large groups. Meet the KTT Extra Large Tent, featuring a 6-10-12-14 person capacity. Two rooms, 3 doors, and 3 windows with mesh. This tent is engineered to provide comfort and adaptability in outdoor settings. The tent boasts a straight wall design, providing larger and more comfortable interior space. The 2 rooms and 3 doors with mesh windows offer ample ventilation and views. This tent is made of high-quality Oxford polyester material, ensuring durability and water resistance. The double-layer design and waterproof coating provide extra protection against the elements. The KTT Extra Large Tent features an innovative design with 2 poles for the door curtain, allowing it to immediately become an awning tent. This adds an extra layer of comfort and practicality to the tent. With its spacious interior, versatile ventilation, and practical design, the KTT Extra Large Tent is perfect for families and large groups. Order now and start enjoying the great outdoors in comfort and style. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Get yours now and start enjoying the great outdoors with the KTT Extra Large Tent. It's available now. Say goodbye to cramped and uncomfortable camping trips, and hello to spacious and enjoyable outdoor adventures with the KTT Extra Large Tent.